3. Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Naila Bushra binti Razaisha. My metric number is EX03718.
And hi, good evening. My name is Sri Lakshmi Subramania and my matrix number is EX03712.
And I'm Kuhila Ravichandran. My metric number is EX03713.
All right, so today we are going to present our group discussion for plan. All right, so as you can see, we already put a delegation and also subtopic and our STD, also suggestion, remarks and progressions. So we are going to discuss about the remarks first because we want to identify the concept and the presentation method and also the content. All right. So for these 3 points, I would like to divide into 3 PIC. Who would you like to volunteer to take any each of this?
I
want to take presentation method.
All right. So you will take, Kohila will take the presentation method. So in presentation method, you will do coffee talk.
Actually, we can do the presentation method via seminar also can. How about you, Shri? Anything you want to come up?
So you suggest seminar as well lah. Okay. All right. So okay. For myself, I would like to volunteer myself to take concept as the infographic because I think I can design some of the points into the infographic design. Right.
so that means left out with the content itself. So I will myself take the content and try to get as much of an informations that for our topic, for our discussion, so we can put it in our infographic. And as well, when we presentation method time, like for presentation time, we can implement into that as well.
All right, so I will put 3 as this, and presentation method will be Kohela.
But presentation method, can we come up with the coffee talk only? Because seminar, I think it's difficult.
Okay, can, no problem. It's just a suggestion. Yeah. All right. So on my side, I will take
moving forward, we can still amend it according to our preferences. Like we will see how the flow is going on, so we can do the amendments. No issues, one.
Yes.
All right. Okay. So I think we already done discuss about remarks. We would like to move forward to discuss about the progression of the deadline. Each of the points that we discussed for concept and content and also presentation method. All right. I would like to start with Kohela because you are doing presentation method, right? So do you have any deadline that you can share the draft?
If you ask me, my date is really I can complete my task by 17 April.
Okay. All right. What about Shri?
Since like my part is the important part for our infographic, since you need some time to do the design thing, I would be taking by 15th of the April. Should be fine for you, right? To do our designs, right? Because that's our next group discussion also within the same week.
April, 18th of April.
Yeah. 18th of April
should be fine also.
Okay. What would you like to present first? Is it the current issue first or the suggestion first?
Let me have a draft on current issues and also the solutions as well. So on the draft, we will from the draft when I'm going to present to you during our next discussion. So from there we can do the amendments as how we want it.
Okay. So on my side, since the infographic, I have to wait the information from both of you. So I will be the last person to prepare this. I think I might be taking on 19th of April, right?
Yeah,
Um,
correct. Also, should be
okay.
fine.
So
So
what
you
will
will be having a sufficient time, right? I
uh
hope. I hope you should have.
yes, I will prepare the
All right,
template
sure.
first. Then later on
Mm-hmm.
input the information, lah, right?
All right, sure.
So
Yeah.
the first step I'm going to prepare is to prepare the template first and design, and
Mm-hmm.
then I'll just wait the point. If you can give the point a bit early, so I can put inside the template, so I can present on.
Definitely, definitely.
Yeah,
We will try the best to give those.
yeah. Okay. So Kohila, do you have anything else to add on, or you want to add
Uh,
more
uh, no,
remarks?
Naila.
Okay.
If let's say in remarks, I will prepare the
Mm-hmm.
draft on our how to going to speak about the scripts. No? I will
The
prepare this.
script of the draft of the script, is it? Okay, can. Yeah,
Yes.
should be good also, because we need the timeline to see how long the talk is going to be.
Mm-mm.
So just to
Yes.
track
And then,
those things here.
What
that's
is
all.
your expectation of the audience? I mean, how much do you target? 20 people or 30 people?
Uh, our target just for 20 lah.
Target audience
20 is enough. 20,
20.
mm,
Okay.
20 people.
Okay. So I think on the current issue and suggestion, maybe you can just put a points of each of that lah, the elaborations. Maybe you can put the picture
Yeah.
or anything, so I can squeeze
Yeah.
to the template. So
Sure.
points and picture.
And some data that I managed to collect also, because it's also important that the points that we are going to talk, we for sure we need that sufficient data to prove that that's a kind of evidence for our points as well. So I
True.
try to get those datas.
True. Maybe we can take some of the information from the newspaper, a
Yeah.
design that headlines or
Mm-mm.
headlines headlines of newspaper. That would be nice to input
Yeah. Sure.
in infographic. So who will be the speaker? Have we ever discussed about speaker?
Um.
Any volunteer
Can
speakers, or we want to invite other speaker?
um. Can
No,
can I I have a pitch on this. Maybe we can invite one of our uh let's say we can invite a public
Mm-hmm.
who have a more, it's like we have to communicate with our citizens, we have to communicate with our public also, right? So that's
Mm-mm.
the main, main aim for this work, everything. So we can call one public, like we can call one
we can
citizen.
do a inquiry lah. Like we will do a
Yeah.
question and answer session, right? So we will just go to any place with people crowded. So we can ask them a suggestion. They can bring up their
What is their point of view from all of
yes.
this issue?
Yeah,
Like,
that one will
we
be
can get
short
their point of the
video,
view.
a short video of comment,
Yeah, comment.
And yeah.
comment or feedback. Okay.
So
Mm.
in this thing, we can get to know what's the actual
Mm,
opinion from the public, because there's a majority people are using those transport stations and everything. So it's really important to get their
Their feedback also.
opinion also.
yeah. Okay, for the infographic part, I will input the data from your site also and the design.
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
And I will try to find some pictures that related also. I can help to find pictures, data design in pictures. Other than that, I just wait for you lah and decide what color to use, and or maybe
Mm.
the location of
Yeah, exactly. I
the
was about to ask that.
we will do online basis, right?
Yeah,
Uh,
it's easy.
Yeah, online
is
basis.
But the short video,
Yep.
I will prepare. I will go and take it lah
I
personally.
think I think you need to book the calendar. Book the calendar
Mm.
for the link, because you need to have the link, right?
Yeah, definitely.
Yes.
Prepare the link maybe. Okay. All right. So I think for now we already put three subtasks in the remarks for us to
Yeah.
achieve the deadline that we have discussed. But this one can be update on the next group discussion. All right. So I hope to see the
Yeah,
potential.
sure. Can.
Maybe just 10% or 20% would be fine. Yeah.
Yeah.
Anything else you
Mm.
want to add on?
I think this should be okay for now.
Mhm.
So maybe in the future when there's a progression, then we can update lah.
Okay. All right.
All right. All
Mm.
right.
Thank you,
Thank you,
everyone.
guys. Thank you, everyone. Have a good night.
Good night.
Everyone, good night.